Normally during your driving test, the tester will ask you to perform some hand signals. They generally do this after the turnabout or before the hill start. So they're going to ask you to give hand signals for two directions. So for traffic following the car, following you put your window down. To show traffic that you want to turn right, you put your arm out the window. To show traffic that you want to slow down or stop, you put your arm out the window and you bring it up and down. So if you can remember, up and down to slow down. And then to show traffic that you intend to turn left, put your arm out the window and rotate your arm anti-clockwise, almost as if you're saying, I'm going over there. Then for traffic coming towards you, or the guards, which they sometimes can refer to as a pointsman, to show traffic that you intend to turn right, again put your arm out the window. To show traffic or the guards that you want to turn left, bring your arm across your chest and make it visible so it's over the steering wheel and can be seen. And to show traffic that you want to go straight ahead, you lift your left hand up. So that, again, just to recap, is for traffic coming towards you or the guards, a pointsman at a set of traffic lights at a junction.